name's Graham here at Stellison's in Ipswich. I'm here today to talk about the new Samsung UE49NU8000. This also comes as a 55-inch, 65, 75 and 82-inch version. It's a 4K Ultra HD TV. It's got a high dynamic range, which gives you the whitest whites, gives you the blackest blacks. It's got dynamic crystal colour display as well, so a massive colour palette to work with, and 360-degree design. Okay, so here's the back of our 49NU8000. We'll start off at the top. So here we have our 1, 2, 3, 4 holes for the Visa mounting. That's a 200 by 200 for your wall mounts. As we go down there, figure of 8 power inputs. Below that, we've got some grooves here. This is for your cable management system. So your leads will actually tuck into there. As we see, go across the set. They come all the way across for your inputs as well. And as we look at the inputs, you can see we've got our normal RF input. That's your aerial, everyday cable connection. Above that, 2 satellite inputs as well. And then our LAN network cable connection. So if you don't want to use the Wi-Fi, you've got the cable network connection option. We then have 4 HDMIs. 1, 2 and 3 are standard HDMI inputs for your high definition sources. We've then got a 4th one, which is also marked up as ARC. That's your auto return channel. That means you can hook up to the home theatre kits and you don't need a separate audio lead to take the sound into those, and it can also control those sound bars or home theatre systems as well for you. Above that, we then got the optical lead. This is for 5.1 audio out, again for home theatres, sound bars, that sort of thing. And then 1, 2 USB inputs, the bottom of which is powered for hard disk drive as well, so you can record from the TV directly to a hard disk drive without having a separate unit. Right, so here we are looking at the front of the TV set now. As you can see, we've got that nice T stand. It's very nice and sleek, beautiful shape, very clean. That's very well designed, I have to say, Samsung. As we come across, you can then see we've got the 2 remotes. So first of all, the standard remote controllers everybody's used to on the right hand side. Then on the left, the second remote, we've got with the mouse pad wheel in the middle. We've got the voice search as well. This can control everything. It's just a case of getting used to it, so a bit of practice on that and you'll be flying around. Okay, so here we can see that cable management system. So my leads are coming out, they're going into the grooves, down into the pedestal, then out the bottom, out of the way. So none of that will be visible from the front of the set. And again with the power lead going in, up there. It's a very nice, tidy, clean solution. Okay, so if I press the Smart Hub button, it brings up our apps. Go across the bottom, you've got obviously your live TV, currently I'm on FreeSat. You've got Netflix, you've got Prime Video, YouTube, you've got Google Play Movies as well. Smart things, you've got your gallery, so you can transfer images from your Samsung account, from your computer and everything else. You've got your web browser on there as well, and Radical TV. If we go back the other way, we can also see you've got lots of other apps. If I click on that, which you can download for this TV as well. So there's plenty more choice, lots more to play with. And keep you going, basically. Thank you. So once again, that's it. That's the Samsung UE49NU8000 4K Ultra HD TV, high dynamic range, dynamic crystal colour, 360 design, wonderful cable management system, all-in-one remote control. Fantastic looking TV. I have to say, Samsung, it's very nice. Well done.